All right, welcome, good morning. I've been getting some feedback that we've been having a little bit of trouble logging into our ClassLink or our Google Drive or our Google Classroom at home, so I just wanted to make a real short video to walk us through that process. All right, so you'll notice that I'm on just the regular google.com homepage. We'll go step by step and we'll get everyone access to the same content. So I'm going to begin by just searching Calero. I'm going to go over here to the home page. Now from here, across this banner across top, you'll click on the Students tab. Look down in the C's over here where you'll click on ClassLink Access. Okay, I'm signed out of my account. I've selected a random student's account to show you guys from the student perspective. There's no personal information being shared. So here we go. I'm signing in as a student. And here it brings me to my splash page with all the student tiles. So you notice it says student here, students there. I'm going to begin by going straight to the Google Classroom. So I'll click on that tile. Because I've logged in through ClassLink, every time I reach a new page that would require a username and password, if I'm just patient, it will automatically fill that in for me as it just did there. So as you can see, the student only has one Google Classroom to access, which is his. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and that will bring you to my Google Classroom from the student side. You can see I've shared a few things with the students. This was the link I had all the students click on to access the Google Drive. Here's a little bit of information about our university chant and so forth. And I'll be posting things here going forward. Eventually, the idea is to get assignments up here that students can go back and forth with each other. So I'm going to go back to my ClassLink, again, where I've got everything. And I'm going to go ahead and click over here on Google Drive now. Okay, that first one I did was Google Classroom. This is Google Drive. So again, because I have logged in that first time, it's going to continue to log me in as long as I'm patient and let it do its work. So I have access to a whole bunch of stuff right here. Google Docs is basically Microsoft Word. Google Sheets is Microsoft Excel. Google Slides would then be Microsoft PowerPoint. But we're going to focus over here on Drives and Docs. So I'll click on that. So here we go. I'm now in this student's drive. It's a little muddy. So what I'm going to do is go down here to the Shared with Me tab. These are all the things that I've shared with the students. These top two things you could access directly from the Google Classroom, but this third folder right here is the one I want to take a look at. So I'm going to double click it. And now I have access to all the awesome stuff that I'm trying to share daily. So some combination of these folders will be updated every single day. Let's just begin by looking in the daily agenda. Now, as of right now, I don't know how to change how these files are named, but you can see right here, you can see right here that it does have the year, the month, and the date. So if you're looking for the agenda from last Thursday, you can find last Thursday's date, double click it, and there you have it. And that is exactly what I wrote underneath the document camera for the students to copy. So there should be exactly like this. Is not something I did after the fact. So, you know, if you're ever absent, you can always come and check these daily agendas. You can come and check other things as well. 1010. I apologize for my messy handwriting. So let's go back to the Shared with Me folder or link over here. I'm going to go back into the classroom. And I'll take a look at the math notes. So these, you're going to see a lot more. But again, if you look at the date, you'll notice that a lot of these come from the same day. And the nice thing is that when I do upload them, they get uploaded in order. So this is the first page of the notes, second page of the notes, and so forth. Okay, little sample problems here we did with the kids. Again, this is what I'm doing with the students. They should be going along with me. So if they're looking at this, this should not be the first time they're seeing it unless they were absent. Here we go. Thursday's notes were considerably shorter. There you go. Keep track of the zeros. Back to shared with me. Back to the classroom. Not everything has anything in it yet. I've got a little bit of language arts notes. Here we go. Prefixes and so forth. But again, this is something that should be uploading regularly, some more than others, but you should expect to see things consistently. So parents, students, if you're ever questioning, if you don't remember, if you forget something, here's a place to look and see exactly what we've done and what's been assigned. Or again, if you're absent or you know you're going to be absent, this would be a really good place to check and see what you've missed or what is upcoming. All right. Thank you for paying attention and putting up with me. And I hope this works well for all of you.